Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Daily English Talk. I'm Lily.
And I'm Tom, and if this is your first time here, welcome to the family. We are so happy you found us.
If you want the transcript, vocabulary, and slow audio version, check the join button below.
If you enjoyed this video and want to support the channel, you can send a super thanks. Your support helps me keep making slow and easy English videos.
On this channel, we help you speak English naturally, just like real people do in real life. Every single day, a new video. Every single day, new English.
And today's topic is one of our favorites. We are talking about daily routines. What do you do in the morning? What do you do at night?
And we are setting the scene in Los Angeles, California. Sun, palm trees, traffic, and very expensive coffee.
Very, very expensive coffee.
If you want to improve your English every day, hit that subscribe button right now. We upload every single day, and we never want you to miss a lesson.
Okay, let's get into it.
But before we start, I have a question for you, a very important question.
Ooh, what is it?
Tom had a very big problem this morning. Something went wrong with his routine, and I want you to listen carefully to our conversation today and try to guess, what did Tom forget to do this morning?
Oh no, are you going to tell everyone?
Yes, I am. Write your guess in the comments. We will answer at the end of the video.
This is so embarrassing.
Okay, let's start our conversation. Okay, Tom, tell me, what time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. Every day, 6:30.
6:30? That is early.
I know. I am a morning person. I love the morning. The city is quiet, the air is cool, it is beautiful.
Okay, I believe you. So you wake up at 6:30, then what?
Then I go to the bathroom, I wash my face, I brush my teeth.
Good routine.
And then I make coffee. I always make coffee first, before anything.
Me too. I cannot start my day without coffee. I make coffee, I sit by the window, and I just look outside, the palm trees, the blue sky. It is so peaceful.
Ah, that sounds amazing, Lily. I drink my coffee, and then I go to the gym.
Every morning?
Almost every morning. I work out for about 45 minutes. I run on the treadmill, I lift some weights.
Tom, you make me feel so lazy.
You are not lazy, Lily. You walk everywhere. That counts.
I walk to the coffee shop. That is my exercise.
That is not exercise, Lily.
Okay. So after the gym, what do you do?
I come home, I take a shower, and I get dressed. Then I eat breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Eggs, almost every day. Scrambled eggs, some toast, and orange juice.
Oh, that is such a classic breakfast. I love it. I usually have yogurt and fruit in the morning. Very simple.
Simple is good.
Then I check my phone, I read some news, I answer some messages.
And that is where my morning goes wrong sometimes.
Tell me, what do you mean?
Sometimes I pick up my phone and I start scrolling. And then suddenly it is 9 o'clock and I am late.
Tom!
I know. The phone is dangerous in the morning.
The phone is a black hole in the morning. You go in and you do not come out.
A black hole, exactly.
Okay, so after breakfast, what do you do for work?
I work from home 3 days a week. So on those days, I sit at my desk by 9:15, I start with emails, then I have meetings.
I also work from home sometimes, but on other days I drive to the office. And in Los Angeles, driving means traffic.
The traffic in LA is no joke.
It is a full-time job just sitting in your car.
I listen to podcasts in the car, English podcasts. It's a good way to practice.
That is such a great tip. You can learn English in the car, on the bus, on the train. You do not need to sit at a desk.
Exactly. Use your commute time.
Okay, what about lunch?
Lunch is my favorite part of the day. I usually eat around noon. Sometimes I cook, sometimes I order food.
What do you order?
There is a Mexican place near my apartment. Best tacos in Los Angeles. I order from there at least twice a week.
Only twice a week? I would go every day.
You probably would.
For lunch, I usually make a sandwich or a salad, something quick. I do not like to spend a lot of time cooking during the day.
Because you save your cooking energy for dinner.
Exactly. Dinner is serious business.
What do you make for dinner?
I love cooking dinner. I make pasta, I make soup, I make stir fry. Last night, I made chicken and vegetables, and it was so good.
Oh, that sounds incredible.
You should come over sometime.
Yes, please.
And after dinner?
After dinner, I relax. I watch a show on Netflix, maybe I read a little. By 10 o'clock, I am getting ready for bed.
I do the same. I wash my face, I brush my teeth, I put on my pajamas, and I get into bed.
And then you look at your phone for 1 hour.
Tom,
Am I wrong?
you are not wrong.
We are all the same.
Okay, by 11, I'm asleep, and the next day, it starts all over again.
That is the routine. Wake up, coffee, work, eat, relax, sleep. Repeat.
The beautiful, simple Los Angeles life. Okay, let's talk about grammar. In our conversation, we used a very important grammar structure. Did you notice it?
We used the simple present tense, and this tense is perfect for talking about routines, things you do every day, every week, regularly.
Let me show you the structure. It is very simple.
The base form of the verb, subject plus verb. I wake up. You eat. She works.
I wake up. He wakes up. I drink coffee. She drinks coffee.
Let's look at some examples from our conversation.
I wake up at 6:30.
He wakes up at 6:30.
I make coffee every morning.
She makes coffee every morning.
You see the pattern? For I and you, no S. For he and she, add S.
And the most common mistakes? People say, he wake up, no S. That is wrong.
Always remember, he, she, it, they need that S. He wakes, she drinks, it starts.
And for negatives, we use do not or does not. I do not eat meat. She does not drink coffee.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7.
Say it with me. I wake up at 7.
She wakes up at 6.
She wakes up at 6.
He does not eat breakfast.
He does not eat breakfast.
Beautiful. You are doing amazing. Now let's learn the vocabulary. These are the most important words and phrases for talking about your daily routine in English.
We have 10 expressions for you today. Let's go one by one.
The first expression is wake up. W-A-K-E-U-P. Wake up.
Wake up means to stop sleeping, to open your eyes, to start your day.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up early on weekdays.
Now your turn. Say it. I wake up at...
What time do you wake up? Write it in the comments. I want to know.
You know, when I first moved to Los Angeles, I could not wake up early. I was waking up at 10, 11 in the morning. I thought, this is terrible. I am wasting my day.
What changed?
I got a cat. The cat wakes me up at 6 every morning. No alarm needed.
Best alarm clock.
Repeat. Wake up.
Wake up.
I wake up early.
Next, get dressed. G-E-T-D-R-E-S-S-E-D. Get dressed.
Get dressed means to put on your clothes. After your shower, you get dressed.
I get dressed in 10 minutes.
She gets dressed before breakfast.
Okay, I have to tell a story about getting dressed.
Oh, yes?
One time, I was running late for a meeting. I got dressed so fast. I grabbed my shirt, my pants, my shoes. I ran out the door. I got to the coffee shop where the meeting was. I sat down. My colleague looked at me very funny.
Oh, what happened?
I was wearing 2 different shoes. One black shoe, one brown shoe.
Tom!
The whole meeting, I kept my feet under the table.
Oh, Tom, that is amazing.
Get dressed carefully, everyone. Check your shoes.
Repeat. Get dressed.
Get dressed.
I get dressed quickly. Next, have breakfast or eat breakfast. These mean the same thing.
You can say, I have breakfast, or I eat breakfast. Both are correct.
I have breakfast at 8 o'clock.
He eats breakfast before work.
In Los Angeles, there are so many amazing breakfast places. There is this one place near my apartment. They make pancakes the size of your head.
What?
Yes, giant, fluffy, golden pancakes. I go there every Sunday morning. It is my treat to myself.
Aw, that sounds like the perfect Sunday.
It is. Okay, repeat after me. Have breakfast.
Have breakfast.
I have breakfast every morning.
Next word, commute. C-O-M-M-U-T-E. Commute.
Commute means to travel from your home to your work, the trip to work and back home.
My commute takes 45 minutes.
She commutes by car every day.
In Los Angeles, the commute is famous. Everyone knows about LA traffic. One time, I had a job downtown. The office was 12 miles from my apartment.
12 miles? That is not far.
1 hour and 20 minutes, Lily, every morning.
Oh my gosh, for 12 miles?
Welcome to Los Angeles.
That is why people listen to so many podcasts here. They have no choice.
Exactly. Commute. Repeat after me. Commute. My commute is long. I commute to work by car.
Next, take a break. T-A-K-E-B-R-E-A-K. Take a break.
Take a break means to stop working for a short time, to rest a little during your day.
I take a break at noon.
We take a break every 2 hours.
I used to never take breaks when I worked. I thought, I am so productive. I am working nonstop. Then I started taking short breaks, even 10 minutes, and my work got so much better.
That is true. Breaks help your brain. You come back more focused.
So please, everyone, take your breaks. Your brain needs it.
Repeat. Take a break. Take a break. I take a break in the afternoon. Next, run errands. R-U-N-E-R-A-N-D-S. Run errands.
Run errands means to do small tasks outside. Go to the supermarket, go to the bank, pick up a package. All of those are errands.
I run errands after work.
She runs errands on Saturday morning.
In LA, running errands means driving. Always driving. I need to go to the grocery store, I drive. I need to go to the pharmacy, I drive. I need to go next door, I probably drive.
That is not true.
It is a little bit true. Los Angeles is not a walking city. Everything is far. Everything has a parking lot.
It is very different from a city like New York, where you walk everywhere.
Repeat. Run errands.
Run errands.
I run errands on weekends.
Next, cook dinner. C-O-O-K-D-I-N-N-E-R. Cook dinner.
Cook dinner means to prepare the evening meal at home.
I cook dinner at 7 o'clock.
He cooks dinner for his family every night.
I really love cooking dinner. For me, it is relaxing. I put on some music, I pour a glass of water, and I just cook. Chop vegetables, stir the sauce, smell the spices.
Ah, that sounds so peaceful.
It is. Cooking is my way of unwinding after a long day.
My way of unwinding is ordering food and watching it arrive at my door.
That is also valid, Tom.
Thank you. Repeat. Cook dinner. Cook dinner. I cook dinner at home. And that brings us to our next word, unwind. U-N-W-I-N-D. Unwind.
Unwind means to relax after a stressful time, to let go of the stress of the day.
I unwind by watching TV.
She unwinds by reading a book.
Everyone unwinds differently. My neighbor unwinds by going for a walk at sunset. You see that a lot in LA. People walking on the beach, walking in the park, just looking at the water.
Los Angeles has beautiful sunsets. If you ever visit, you must watch the sunset at the beach. It is breathtaking.
Repeat. Unwind. Unwind. I unwind in the evening.
Almost done. Go to bed. G-O-T-O-B-E-D. Go to bed.
Go to bed means to get into your bed to sleep, to end your day.
I go to bed at 10:30.
He goes to bed very late on weekends.
I used to go to bed so late, midnight, 1 in the morning, and I felt terrible the next day. Then I started going to bed by 10:30, and everything changed. I had more energy, I was happier, I was more focused.
Sleep is so important. You cannot learn English, you cannot work well, you cannot be happy if you do not sleep enough.
8 hours. That is the goal.
I aim for 8. I usually get 6.
Tom.
I know. Repeat. Go to bed. Go to bed. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. And our last expression today, stick to a routine. S-T-I-C-K-T-O-A-R-O-U-T-I-N-E. Stick to a routine.
Stick to a routine means to follow your routine every day, to not skip it, to be consistent.
It is hard to stick to a routine at first.
She sticks to her routine even on weekends.
When I first tried to create a morning routine, I stuck to it for 2 days, and then I stopped. Then I tried again and again and again. Eventually, it just became natural. It became automatic.
And that is the key. You have to be patient with yourself. Building a routine takes time. Do not give up after 3 days.
Start small. Wake up at the same time every day. That is your first step.
Stick to a routine. Repeat, stick to a routine. I try to stick to my routine every day. Okay, let's review everything we learned today. 10 expressions for your daily routine in English.
Number 1, wake up, stop sleeping, and start your day.
Number 2, get dressed. Put on your clothes.
Number 3, have breakfast or eat breakfast, your morning meal.
Number 4, commute. Travel from home to work.
Number 5, take a break, stop and rest for a short time.
Number 6, run errands. Do small tasks outside.
Number 7, cook dinner, make your evening meal at home.
Number 8, unwind. Relax after a busy day.
Number 9, go to bed, get into bed to sleep.
And number 10, stick to a routine. Follow your routine every day, consistently.
These are words and phrases you can use every single day, your real life, in English.
And now it is your turn. Tell us, what does your daily routine look like? Tell us in the comments. Use the words we practiced today.
Write one sentence, just one, like, I wake up at 7, I commute by bus, I unwind by cooking. Simple.
We read every single comment. We love hearing from you.
If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
And hit that subscribe button. We upload every single day, a new lesson every day just for you.
We are so happy you are here. You are part of this family now.
Your English is growing every single day. You are getting better. Keep going.
We believe in you.
We will see you tomorrow. Same place, same family.
Take care of yourselves. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.